I will explain this question in English and I have written this question in German and English both. So here this says determine A and B, which number is exactly in the middle of A and B. So let us start and decide what is A and what is B. So that is very simple. You can see between 5.9 and 6 there are 10 equal spaces. I will calculate it very quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So we can say it's starting from 5.90. Just to make it easy for you, I will write 5.90. Then this will be 5.91, 5.92. This is 5.93, 5.93. 5.94, 5.95, 5.96, 5.97, 5.98, 5.99 and 6.00. So that's 6 over here. Now we are done with half part of this. This is determine A and B. So we already know A is 5.93 and B is 5.98. Now what is exactly in the center? So you can see there are 5 equal spaces between A and B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here A and B are 2.5 steps away. Let us see what value we have here. So this is 5.94 and this is 5.95. So here it's 5.95 and here it's 5.96. Now exactly between 5.95 and 5.96 will be what? So you can decide that very quickly by doing calculation also. You can decide even without calculation, but to explain it in easier language I am patient. So you need to add both the numbers 5.95 and 5.96 and you need to divide it by 2. If you add these two you will get 11.91 and you need to divide it by 2. Now let us do this division very quickly. I will do that over here. 11.91 divided by 2. So what is closest to 11 in the table of 2? 2 times 5, 10. I will write 10 here. 1, drop down 9 and here I have to put the decimal point. Now 2 times 9, 18. So 1, I will drop down 1. 2 times 5, 10. So 1. But I have to keep working until I get 0 remainder. And once we put the decimal point, I can get complementary 0. So complementary 0, 0. Again 2 times 5, 10. So value that's exactly over here is 5.955. I hope you find it useful. And another faster way to do it, I did this way because you understand it better. You can add 1 0 here and 1 0 here. You just need to think what is exactly in the center of 950 and 960. That is 955. So 5.955. This is how you can go quick also, but I explained the method so that you can understand. But in your exam you can go quicker like this also. I hope you find it useful. Now let us solve question 6b, and same way here it's written in German and English both. I will explain in English. So it says which number is 3 times as far away from C as from D. So that means you need to find a number, like I don't know exact place but somewhere here. So distance, this distance should be 3 times than this. I don't know exact place but I just estimated that it will be over here. Now to make it easy, I will explain in simple language. Can you help me to find number which is exactly in the center, Yes, you can, right? You just need to add these two, 4.8 and 5.1, and divide by 2. That will tell you what is exactly in the center. This is the method to find it. So that is 9.9 divided by 2, and that is 4.95. So 4.95 is over here. Now I will find what is exactly in the center of these two, like somewhere here. And that will be my answer. I will explain how. So here let's say I am splitting these also in equal to parts. Let us say here is the center. Then you can say it's divided in 4 equal parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this point is 3 times than this, is it? Like this is 1, so this is 1, 2, 3. So this point is 3 times far from C than D. So how can you find what is exactly in the center of 4.95 and 5.1? Again, you will add them and divide by 2. 4.95 plus 5.1 divided by 2. Now this will be 10.05 divided by 2. Now I am explaining division also. You may find it hard. So I am explaining division over here. 10.05 divided by 2. So 2 times 5, 10. That's 0, 0. Now drop down 0. I have to put decimal point here. Drop down 0. But even after drop down, it's smaller than the divisor. It's smaller than 2. So I have to drop down one more, and you cannot drop down two things at a time. You have to put 0 first and then you can drop down 5. Now 2 times 2, 4. 1. Now I can get complementary 0. Once I put the decimal point, I can get complementary 0. 2 times 5, 10. So 5.025, and that is 3 times far from C than D. You can find these also if you want. That's like addition of these two. 4.8, and here we got 4.95 divided by 2, but that's meaningless. That's a wastage of time, right? So I just made point here exactly in the center. 1, 2, 3. This is 3 times far from this 1, right? So I hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching.